Hey guys, welcome back to another video on Scylla's Stuff and Things. Today we are going to do a fun little quick recipe, something that you guys have requested, deviled eggs. It's super easy. I feel like everybody can make deviled eggs, but it's great for holidays, great for the spring and summer. So let's get cooking. First step is you have to boil your eggs. Now, I got this idea from my dad. Everybody, I'm sure, has their own way of doing things, but he tells me 13 minutes. So let me just show you. Add water to your pan. We will turn this on high, pretty high, but you don't wait until the water's boiling. I always waited until the water was boiling before I put my eggs in. I'm gonna put my eggs in now. Drop them in. Obviously, you need to be very careful so you don't break them. This is a great little snack to have. It's obviously a great side. And then you have to wait. You have to wait until they start boiling. Once they start boiling is when that 13-minute counter starts. So we will wait. Okay, so Asa asked a good question. Do you let them boil the whole 13 minutes? And you do. And then you take them right off of that heat. This is what I do. I just put them, leave them in the pot just like they are. I don't even take the water out. Turn cold water on and just let it overflow. That's going to get the hot water obviously out of there, and you want to get them cooled off a little bit so you can handle them. I mean, that's the whole goal here. Then you're going to crack them open. A lot of times I'll just do it right over the sink, but today, since we're doing a video, I'll just do a paper towel and peel them right here for you guys. So funny story. Ace is like, which way are you cutting them? I'm cutting them lengthwise. I used to cut them in half. I don't know why I did that. I guess because avocados have the same shape and I always cut them like that. And one day Ace and Summer were like, why are you cutting the avocados like that? I'm like, what? I don't know. I don't know. My brain just went there. So we're going to cut them lengthwise. We did rinse them off to get any extra shells off of there. You're going to take that yolk. You can use a spoon if you need to. These are delicate. Eggs are very delicate, okay? You don't want to break them, because then people will come and they'll say, well, that one's broken, I'll just eat it. And you don't want that to happen. Yeah, I think you did that on purpose so you could eat it. So Asa, Abby, and Isaiah love hard-boiled eggs. They're actually a really good snack. Now you're just going to take a fork and mash the yolks up. And then this is where you get to do however you want to do it. I did get out some silverware so I could kind of show you how much I put in. But that's what you want it to look like. I start with my mayonnaise. We use Duke's in this house, no other. You gotta let me know, what kind of mayonnaise do you guys use? This is like a southern mayonnaise, I feel like. Nobody come at me and say they use Kraft. It's that Kraft, what is it? Cool Whip. No. What is it called? It's a Miracle salad dressing. Yes, Miracle Whip. Ugh, that's not mayonnaise, people. Okay. So you're gonna look at the texture and see how much you need to add. We need a little bit more, like that. And I think that will do us good. Yep. So you're just going to mix it up really good. I add a little bit of mustard, just plain old yellow mustard. You could give it a little kick and add brown mustard, spicy brown mustard. Then we're going to use our sweet relish. About 1 to 2 tablespoons of relish. Then you need to add your salt and pepper. A little dash. Like that. Some salt. You're going to mix it up, and then you're going to taste a little bit before you start adding it to your egg. There we go. So you're just gonna taste it and get it to whatever you like, because you're the chef and you get to make those decisions. I'm gonna wash my hands and then we'll fill these eggs. You're just gonna take your spoon, add your egg mixture like that. You can add it, you can put it on a little platter. I was just putting it on a little dish today because it's just Asa and I. These will save really well in the fridge too, so you don't have to worry about, like, we'll be able to save these for Abby for later. I gotta know, do you have these? We have these at every family event. Once Easter hits, they'll be at every family event from here on out now. And I wanna know, do you make yours different? Do you add anything? I would love to maybe add, I know some people do jalapeno to make them a little spicy. That could be fun. Now my eggs are still hot right now, so I do recommend chilling them, and that's gonna give you a thicker consistency. Then, for the final touch, you have to dust them with paprika. Voila, they are done. Those are my deviled eggs. Thanks so much for hanging out. Thanks for watching. Hit that thumbs up button, subscribe if you haven't done so, and we will see you next time. There you go, sir. Good? Cool.